Hello, trading is closed on August 30th, 2019. Let's go over a call. Let's look for the pattern with the early high. We got that. When we reopen Tuesday, the pattern will have the early low. We said if the 333 was the correct count, we should find resistance in the 2940s, and so far that's worked. During the day, MEJT said that drop would retrace, said that rally would retrace, and that's already happened. Well, here's what we said. We said unless we gap out and take out yesterday's highs promptly, lower prices should print. And we gapped up and lower prices printed anyway. But there was no call because of the gap up. Notice that despite hitting a new recovery high, we couldn't close over all these prior highs, and that's not good. We either take out these highs early Monday, ideally by Tuesday, ideally by gapping over them, or else lower prices print. Well, this was our alternate count. I'm going to make this the main count if it's right. We have an A, we have a B, and the question is this a rare 333? If so, the W, the Y, and the Z should all be about the same height. So if we go much higher over this 50-day moving average, then it isn't the right count. But for now, you've got perfect wave balance. Here's your A, your B. All the fibs work right at the high. If we stop there, it's a pretty picture. My original idea was this was blue A, blue B, and blue C. And I thought there'd be a fib relationship between blue A and blue C. I thought A would be 78.6. And then I'd have 100% to 27.40. Now what's interesting is if this is a purple A and purple B ended today and purple C starts, then purple C will equal purple A at exactly the same 27.40 price. Tuesday's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Gapped up to a new high, closed under a number of prior highs. We either take out today's high or lower prices print. We don't have to close lower, but we stopped right where our predefined resistance area was. We've got a wave count, unusual as it is, that says a strong decline. Target 27.40 begins right from the time the market reopens. Now, I'll grant you it isn't the only valid count, and something else might be going on. But if we start dropping in a straight line, the odds are good, the idea is right, and we're going straight down to 27.40 without a lot of stops along the way. And of course, if we go higher, the call is wrong. The idea is wrong. So, Tuesday should be an interesting day. If the count works, we drop in a straight line. If it goes higher, something else is going on. I bet you we know either before the open or soon thereafter if the idea is going to work. And that's today's call.